Hi, just wanted to share with you a trick in Excel, which I'm almost sure that you're not familiar with. The trick is this. Instead of writing a full date in Excel, dd slash mm slash yyyy, you can simply write four characters where the first character is the day number and the next characters are the three letters, the three first letters of the month's name. For example, if I want the date of January 1st, 2024, suffices to write one JAN. And as you can see, this is a proper date in Excel because if I want to extract the year from this date, it gives me 2024. If I want to extract a month, it gives me one, which is January. If I want to extract a day, it gives me one, which is, of course, the 1st of January 2024, which is exactly the same result if you extract the year, the month, and the day from a proper regular date in Excel. So here are some insights. The first one is that string 1jan is treated by Excel as a proper date as if you wrote January 1st, 2024 with slashes, like 10 characters. Three letters of the month can be in lowercase or in uppercase or even both. 1jan is as good as 1j with uppercase J or 1j uppercase N or 1jan with all letters are uppercase. This means that any date of the current year can be expressed by a four-character 3 mar, for example, or five-character string 27 August. For example, if we take the string here month of 27 August, I get the result is 8, which of course August is the 8th month of the year. And of course, strings such 30 Feb will yield an error. This trick works with other date functions, for example, EO month, end of month, as can be seen here. End of month of 1 of January 0 will give me the end date of January 2024. Or E date for 1 Jan will give me the 1st of August 2023.
That's all, folks.